In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use NordVPN for Netflix on a TV. So a lot of TVs nowadays come with official NordVPN application which you can install. So it does come with extensions. If your TV is supported with extensions, you can download that as well. And you can see we have a dedicated IP which can help you to get uninterrupted connectivity. You can see we have NordVPN official download link as well, and you can head over to their downloads option in the application to download the NordVPN itself, so which I suggest. Now you can head over to the link in the description to get 70% off on NordVPN, since it is going to be providing you that huge amount of value. It is something that you should not be missing out. So this was it, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.